The beach was left scattered with wooden sticks and natural debris. Well, today, cleanup is underway to bring it back to life. This path is a favorite for bikers, walkers, and anyone who just wants to feel the breeze again. Little by little, the beach is returning to normal. Tractor moves steadily along the shore, helping clear the path. A few people sweep and collect the driftwood piece by piece. Well, it's a quiet but steady effort to restore the beach. Fresh flowers are starting to bloom along the coast, colors popping against the soft tones of sand and sky. The rain left everything looking clean and alive. The waves are calm today, just steady, quiet rhythms. Sometimes, walking by the sea after a storm feels like pressing reset button. There's no rush here, just presence and open space, breathing, walking, while clearing your mind. Thanks for walking with me today. If you enjoyed this peaceful moment, feel free to like, subscribe, and join me again next time.